Hello everyone, we are going to see about Flexbox. Flexbox is a layout model in CSS that allows you to create flexible and efficient layout. It provides a more efficient way to layout, align and distribute space among items in a container, even when their size is unknown or dynamic. Now I will show how to code the Flex. Now, first I am going to create a div with the class name container. Inside that I am going to create a div with class item, and I'm going to give item 1. Like that I am going to create another two divs with same class name. Now you can see how the code was in the browser. It was like this. Now I am going to show you the style of using the display flex dot container. Now I am going to use a display property of flex, display flex, and justify content as going to give a space between and align item as center and height of the container of 200 pixel, and I am going to give a background color of ash and a padding of 20 pixel. Now I am going to give a styling for items dot item. Now I am going to give a width for the item of 200 pixel and a height of 200 pixel, and I am going to give a background color of hash 3498 db, and I am going to give a text color of white, and I now I'm going to use display property of display flex and give a justify content as center and align item as center. Here the justify content is used for horizontal purpose and align item for vertical thing. Now I will show how the code was in the browser. You can see how it was. In between we are given justify content as space between the containers, so that it was taken space in between the items, and it was and align item as center, so that here see it was aligned center, and for the item I have given justify content as center, so it was center, and align item also center, so it was fixed in item 1 was in center. Like this we are using display flex property. And next we are going to see about display, we are going to see about grid in CSS. The CSS grid layout is a two-dimensional layout system for the web that allows you to create complex grid-based layout with rows and columns. It provides precise control over the placement and alignment of elements within the grid. Now I am going to show how to write a code for grid. For this I am going to create a div with the container class. Inside this I am going to take 9 items. Div dot class of item into it will create 9 items. Now I am going to give a number for this. Now you can see how the code was in the browser. You can see it was like 1 2 3 4 till 9. Now I will show you how to give a CSS for this using display grid. Now I am going to give a style for the container. Here I am going to use a display property grid, and I am going to separate this as a column of 3 grid template column of. I am going to repeat this into. I am going to make this as a 3 column with 1 FR, and I am going to give a grid gap of grid gap of 10 pixel, and I am going to give a background color F0 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 and a padding of 20 pixel. Now we can see how it was in the browser. See, it has taken 3 in a row and 3 columns. This was 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. Now I will make a style for item. Now I am going to give a background color of 3498 dB and a color of white and a padding of 20 pixel. I am going to give a font size of 24 pixel, and I am going to give a text align as center. Now we can see how it was rendered in the code. See how it was looking. This is 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, because we are given here 3 1 for 3 means how many columns we want to give, and this is for space, how much space it should take. And thank you. With this we are completing grid. Thank you.